Exploring the phrase, cold wind. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to delve into an interesting phrase that's often used in the English language, cold wind. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, how it's used in sentences, and the imagery it evokes. Let's dive in. Cold wind consists of two words. 1. Cold. This word describes something that has a low temperature, something that is not warm or hot. 2. Wind. This is the natural movement of air, especially as it moves swiftly across the surface of the earth. When combined, the phrase, cold wind, describes a breeze or gust that feels cold to the touch. It's the kind of wind you might feel on a chilly day, perhaps making you shiver or reach for a jacket. Now, let's see how cold wind can be used in various sentences. 1. The cold wind rustled the autumn leaves. 2. She wrapped her scarf tighter around her neck as the cold wind blew. 3. Despite the sun shining brightly, a cold wind reminded everyone that winter was approaching. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, but it always emphasizes the sensation of coldness conveyed by the wind. When people hear the phrase, cold wind, it often evokes certain imagery or feelings. This is because our senses are closely linked with memories and emotions. 1. Visual imagery. People might imagine barren trees, fallen leaves, or even snowy landscapes. 2. Sensory feelings. The sensation of goosebumps on the skin, the feeling of cold air entering the nostrils, or the need to bundle up in warm clothes. 3. Emotional responses. For some, a cold wind might bring about feelings of refreshment or invigoration, while for others it might evoke a sense of melancholy or the coziness of being indoors. Understanding the imagery associated with phrases like cold wind can help language learners use them more effectively in both written and spoken English. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the phrase, cold wind. English is filled with such evocative phrases that not only communicate information but also paint vivid pictures and evoke strong emotions. I hope this video has shed light on this particular phrase. Stay curious, and keep exploring the beauty of the English language.